नमस्कार दोस्तों, इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट डिक्टेशन लीगल डिक्टेशन एक में आपका है। मेहनत का एक लाइक बनता है। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है एक लाइक ज़रूर करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर करें। 5 सेकंड में हमारा डिक्टेशन प्रारंभ हो जाएगा। स्टार्ट। एनी चाइल्ड shall be presumed to be an innocent of any malafide or criminal intent up to the age of 18 years. All human beings shall be treated with equal dignity and rights. Every child shall have a right to be heard and to participate in all process and decision affecting his interest, and the child's views shall be taken into consideration with due regard to the age and maturity of the child. All decision regarding the child shall be based on the primary consideration that they are in the best interest of the child and to help the child to develop full potential. Stop. There shall be no discrimination against a child on any grounds, including sex, caste, ethnicity, place of birth, disability, and equality of access, opportunity, and treatment shall be provided to every child. Every child shall have a right to protection of his privacy by all means and throughout the judicial process. Every child shall have the right to be reunited with his family at the earliest. All past records of any child should be erased, except in special circumstances where a child alleged to be in conflict with law is produced before juvenile justice board. Board shall hold an inquiry in accordance with the provisions of this act and may pass such order in relation to such child as it deems fit under section 17 and 18 of this act. The inquiry under this section shall be completed within a period of 4 months from the date of first production of the child before the board, and this period can be extended for a maximum period of 2 more months by the board. A preliminary assessment in case of heinous offences under section 15 shall be disposed of by the juvenile justice board within a period of 3 months from the date of first production of child before the board. For serious or heinous offences, board can be granted further extension of time for completion of inquiry by Chief Justice, Magistrate, or Chief Metropolitan Magistrate for reason to be recorded in writing. Board shall take effective step to ensure fair and speedy inquiry. At the time of enacting inquiry, board shall satisfy itself that the child in conflict with law has not been subjected to any ill treatment by the police or by any other person or liar or probation officer, and take corrective steps in case of such ill treatment. Stop. दोस्तों, इस प्रकार हमारा लीगल डिक्टेशन एक यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु है जो आपको बताना चाहूँगा। आपने लीगल डिक्टेशन सुनकर नोट कर लिया होगा। अब हमारे द्वारा बनाया गया टाइपिंग टूल, जिसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे रखा है, वहाँ जाकर आप टाइपिंग के माध्यम से डिक्टेशन की जांच कर सकते हैं। पीडीएफ के लिए टेलीग्राम को फॉलो करें। मेहनत का एक लाइक बनता है, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है एक लाइक जरूर करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। और ऐसे वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।